Welcome to the Daltile Panoramic DuoBoard bathroom installation video. For this installation, you will need the following items: safety glasses, dust mask, level, tape measure, adhesive, silicone, angle grinder with diamond hole saw for porcelain diamond, and a continuous rim blade for porcelain. When installed in showers, Panoramic with DuoBoard can be installed directly to the studs or onto a clean and level suitable wall substrate. Use a level to ensure the wall surface is level, dry, smooth, and free of dust, mold, or any other contaminants. Place lippage control spacers around the bottom perimeter when installing more than one panel. We recommend waterproofing the corners and bottom of the tub and shower area. Apply waterproofing to a minimum area of 6 inches in each direction at the corners and 6 inches at the bottom. Measure the back wall and trim the panel to the desired width and height using a diamond continuous rim saw blade for porcelain. Remember, measure twice, cut once. As shown here on the wall, apply a continuous line of adhesive on all 4 sides of the wall, 1 inch from where the panel will be placed. Then apply a 4-inch in diameter dab of adhesive every 6 to 8 inches over the entire surface you are going to cover. Be generous with the adhesive. Now we are ready to install the panoramic porcelain panel on the back wall. Take the level and firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations for better adhesion. Next, measure the first side wall and trim the panel to the desired width and height using a diamond continuous rim blade for porcelain. Apply a continuous line of adhesive on all 4 sides of the wall, about 1 inch where the panel will be placed. Then, apply a 4-inch in diameter dab of adhesive every 6 to 8 inches over the entire surface. Apply a second line of adhesive on the exterior side of the wall as shown. Install the panoramic porcelain panel on the first side wall and use the level to firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations. For better adhesion, apply adhesive to the edge of the panel. Take a decorative edge trim piece and slide it between the panel and the wall as shown here. Measure for the final sidewall and trim the last panel to the desired width and height using an angle grinder with diamond hole saw for porcelain drill holes. Using an angle grinder with diamond hole saw for porcelain, drill holes for the plumbing hardware. Apply adhesive on the wall the same as before, remembering to apply 2 continuous lines on the exterior side of the wall. Install the panel in place and use a level to firmly push the panel flush up against the wall at multiple locations. Apply adhesion on the edge of the panel. Take a decorative edge and slide it between the panel and the wall. Wait 24 hours for the adhesive to dry. Then remove the 1/8 inch spacers along the bottom perimeter. At this point, your panels are installed and it's time to seal the joints using 100% silicone. Apply a continuous line of silicone along the top side and bottom edges of the installed panels to make sure they are sealed. If installing a corner shelf, remove the peel and stick backing and carefully install the shelf. Apply a line of silicone on the top sides and bottom edges of the shelf to make sure they're sealed. Your room is ready. We suggest waiting 24 hours before using your brand new tub or shower surrounds. For more information, visit our website or contact your local Daltile representative.